In this guide, I'll show you how to change your Steam game download location and install path on your computer. First, open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Storage from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see your current drive, usually the Windows C drive, where your games are installed. Now, click the drop-down arrow in the top right corner and choose Add Drive. From here, open the drop-down list again and you should see your available drives, like an external SSD or another internal drive. You can select one of those, or choose a custom location. After selecting your preferred drive, click Add. Once added, open the drop-down again and you'll see the new drive listed. If you want to move existing games to this new location, simply check the box next to the game, click Move, select the new drive, and confirm. Steam will automatically transfer the files. For installing new games to this drive, select a game from your library that isn't installed yet, or start downloading a new one. Click Install, and you'll see an option called Install To. From there, choose your new drive and proceed with the installation. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.